Marketing and content creation is a lot like fishing, right? You've got two options. You've got spearfishing and you've got big, wide nets. So what are you trying to do and who are you trying to reach? So with podcast production and podcast guesting, it's a lot like spearfishing. You're creating a relationship with a very specific person, someone who can move the needle, someone who can help you generate revenue this year, someone who can put you in front of bigger audiences. So whether you are the podcast host or the podcast guest, creating that relationship is super, super important. And then from there, once you've gone on the podcast, then turning that piece of content into 8 or 10 or 12 other pieces of content that you can now flood all of the different platforms with is going to get you in front of so many more people and so quickly. So you don't have to abandon either method. You can do both. So it's always going to be about creating relationships and then creating lots of content. So what really matters? SEO optimization always, and all of the content you create. Making videos that really showcase not only your company's skills and services, but yours as well. Are you a founder of a tech company? Do you need to tell the world about your story and sell your product? Getting on podcasts is a great way to do that. And then taking that content, chopping it up into a million pieces, having 4 vertical videos that you can put on shorts and you can put on reels and you can put on TikTok to really highlight your side of the story. And then having 4 videos that you can put on those same platforms that highlight the company stories and the product and the origin story and everything else. Now you've got all this content from one podcast interview to flood all your content platforms with and to reach as many people as possible. So, the spearfishing happenings with the relationship with the person that you're sitting across the table with, and then casting that wide net is making sure everybody sees that content. The best way to do that is to hire Heartcast Media. We will take every interview that you go on. We'll make thoughtful pieces of micro content and serve it back to you so that you can distribute it to all your networks, so your marketing team. And the good news is, if you don't have a marketing team, we can handle that too. Click the link below. Let's get on a call. I would love to hear about how you want to get in front of more people, what your product is, what your service is. Are you a coach? Are you a founder? Are you an author? Who are you trying to get in front of this year? And then we can craft a plan for you that's going to be really great and hit those targets and make sure that we're on the same track the whole time. So hit us up, hit the link below. I can't wait to meet you. Thanks.